Let us start pair of linear equation in two variable, chapter 3 of CBSE, class 10th, exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Here you see I have solved it here. I have written here the present, let the age be. Aftab age be X, daughter age be Y. Means 7 years ago, what will be the age of Aftab? That is X minus 7. And 3 years hence means in future, that is X plus 3. Similarly for daughter, 7 years ago, the daughter was Y minus 7, and 3 years hence means in future, she will be Y plus 3 years. Now the relation is given also. You see I have made the column also, that is Aftab, daughter and relation according to the question. So X minus 7 will be equal to 7 inside the bracket Y minus 7. Means Aftab will be 7 times as old as her daughter, his daughter. That is, you see, X minus 7y plus 42 will be equal to 0. This will be one of the equation. In the second part, you see the future wala part पर देखते हैं. After 3 years, Aftab will be X plus 3 and his daughter will be Y plus 3. The relation is given that Aftab will be 3 times as old as his daughter. That is X plus 3 will be equal to 3 thrice of Y plus 3. You solve it, you will get the equation that is X minus 3Y minus 6 equal to 0. In order to prepare graphically or represent graphically, first of all, what I will do, I will solve the equation here, algebraic form I have written here. With this equation, I have made a table where the value of X and accordingly corresponding value of Y is also given here. You see 0, 6, 7, 7, 14, 8. It is from first equation. Now the second equation you can say, that is X 9, whereas the Y will be 1, 12, 2, 15, 3. Now this data can be represented graphically with the help of graph paper. You see the data which have got accordingly I have plotted the point 1, 2, 3 for one second equation and first के लिए this point, this point, this point, and I have drawn the lines which intersect at the point 42 and 12. This will be the answer, that age of Aftab will be 42 while his daughter will be 12 years. Where the line intersect, that will be the solution of the question. Now proceed to the question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 9 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. You see, let X be the price of one bat and y be the price of one ball. Here 3x plus 6y will be equal to 3900. This equation can further be solved by taking out the 3, just divide it by 1 by 3 or multiply 1 by 3 or divide 1 3. You will get the equation that is x plus 2y will be equal to 1300. Or similarly, in the second case also, that is x plus 3y is equal to 1300. You see, I have written here x plus 3y will be equal to 300 or 1300. One thing I would like to inform you that this question is technically wrong, because if you just equate left hand side, because the right hand side is equal, so the left hand side should be also equal. Then we will get 2y is equal to 3y, which is incorrect. For this purpose, I tried my best to consult the publisher of NCERT, which is in Delhi, but he didn't respond anything. So from your side, if you tell the teacher to represent these two questions, means question number 2 and 3, technically somewhere it is mistake. Let us proceed. However, you see the x and y, I have just plotted the point. I have selected the point that is 0 and 650, 100 and 600, 500, 400. For the second equation, I have written here 4 and 432, 10 and 430, 16 and 428. And now with the help of this table, you can plot the point on the graph paper. Now proceed to the question number 3. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. You see, let x be the rate of the apple and y be the rate of the grapes. So we will get two equations, that is 2x plus y is equal to 160 and 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. That can be also written 2x plus y is equal to 150. If we see that 2x plus y is equal to 160, 2x plus y is equal to 150. In this, if you compare this again, so here we are saying that the left hand side are the same, 2x plus y. But right hand side it is 160 and it is 150. So technically somewhere these questions are wrong, but even though I have expressed the algebraic form of it, and moreover I have written here 2x plus y is equal to 160, 2x plus y is equal to 160 and it is 150. This will be the algebraic expression. For geometrical representation, you can plot the graph with the help of the points.